Hi, Tammy from Kane's Little Farm. We're going to be changing out this gate lock because it does not want to work right. So I thought I'd bring you along while I try to figure out everything myself. Sometimes you just gotta try it. Might have to try it again. But eventually we'll get it. This lock's been here for many years right now. So it has decided that it does not want to work. So we are gonna put a nicer and better lock on. So hopefully it will work and no more problems because we don't need the dogs out. No. Not the dogs. So I'm going to try to actually use same holes, hopefully. So I don't have to re-drill new holes. Let's get the drill going the right way. Alright. Make sure it's even so that way it'll go in the lock. The other lock. We have these on the chicken coop and they actually work out a lot better. So that's what I'm thinking. We probably should just went with a lock like this for this. This way I can still put the latch on it. We actually have one of these cool clips we put on it, and it actually has it where it covers up the clip part so that way it's like locked. So you will see. I decided, like, I learned, like, if you put your mind to it, you could probably pretty much fix anything if you have to. I know you guys have seen my husband, but he does work a lot. So I have learned that, you know what, you just gotta try doing some stuff on your own. And that's what I teach my kids. You know what? Just try it. So that is what we are doing here. Doesn't help that the gate keeps moving on me, but you know what? We just keep trying and trying and trying. I hope your guys' day is going good. It's very hot out here. It's 95 degrees today. So why am I out here doing this? I don't know. I can't sit still, so. Not that I don't have a lot of laundry to do or anything like that, but you know what? I absolutely love being outside. And yeah, I'm crazy. I will be out here probably all day. We will be out pouring green beans later. I did get the new stuff for the new garden bed that we built. It's got a bunch of like oregano and stuff. So, but yeah, we just got it all. We're gonna get it all done today and call it a day. Obviously, we have farm chores to do. We have, feeding animals to do. But yeah, But thank you for joining us on this lock journey. You guys have a great day. God bless.